Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ivan. If this is our first time joining us, we are here in Guatape, Colombia, visiting the Peñol. This is our actually second one. We have a video already out, but today we're actually doing a point of view with the Ray-Ban Metas. So everything you see today will be done with the Ray-Ban Metas. You don't know what's gonna happen with me, you know? So I'll see you in the next video, guys. All right, guys, so like we said, we're gonna be doing these videos today with the Ray-Ban Metas. And hope you enjoy this video, guys. If you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification, smash the like, because it does help with the algorithm and pushes out the videos so more viewers like yourself can check out. And we're here visiting. I got all these little stores, restaurants, money exchange, and the little stairs right there. There's 700 steps to get to the top, so we're gonna go pay our admission, which is right in front of us. It's about 25,000 pesos per person, so it's gonna be an average of about, depending on the exchange rate right now, you're looking at about $5-6 per person to climb to the top. All right, guys, so we're gonna go pay the admission and start walking. Oh, so you're treating. Oh, look at that, she's treating. All right, so we got Monopoly money, guys. 50,000 pesos, 25,000 each. All right, guys, so we're going to start this now. Oh boy. All right, here we go. Bienvenidos a la Piedra. All right, so we're starting up at 50, and here we go. All right, look at that, 75 already. I'll take a little pause. And look at this. Look at this. If you guys want to do helicopter rides, that's available as well. All right, so we're up at 600 steps. I mean, excuse me, 100 steps. 600 more to go. So, Vale, where are you visiting from?
I'm from
Wait, hold on a second. All right, let's do this again. Where are you visiting from, Vale?
Argentina.
Argentina, boluda.
Vamos a ver si llego con vida.
What, at 150, 150. Vamos por 200, faltan. Ay, hijo de madre, son 700. Ay, hijo de perra.
Es 7 años. Y hay una cafetería, qué sé yo, y hay otro poquito más.
No, yo ya estoy como 5 veces, pero con era más joven. Ya estamos de 40, casi 50. Well, the good thing is that you could actually take little breaks and go at your own pace, because there was actually somebody who was on a live doing this a few weeks ago, a couple of months ago. It's beautiful. Look at the helicopter taking off.
Wow. Mira con una foto que
All right, we are going by 275.
It's a good workout.
It's a great workout. 300, guys. 300. All right, we're on track. We're almost halfway there.
Vamos, mami, vamos. Ya va a llegar a la mitad, vamos.
So you want to do a little prayer? So we can pray that we can make it up there?
Mira qué bueno.
All right, we're back on it again. Took a little pause. Now we're at 350. We got the amateur over here, keeps on stopping on every 25 steps. She don't understand what I said.
Yes, I understand.
Oh, she heard it. She heard it.
But it's the truth.
This is awesome, man. I could do shit all day long. $400, baby. 400. Whew. Take a little pause. This shit doesn't get easier as you get older, I'll tell you how much. Wow, this is just a beautiful view. I hope you guys are enjoying this, guys. I'm doing this for you because I've already done this way too many times. Has anyone been here before? Leave me a comment. Share your experience with us.
Ya falta menos de la mitad.
$425. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Pop. I'm a beast. 450. Let's go. We need motivated trainers on this, making everybody let's go. You can do this. You can do this. Right?
¿Cómo hace?
We need motivational guides. I'll be awesome for this. You're almost there.
¿Cómo vas? Ay, Dios.
He's got a fan and all. Oh, it's wet too, so you gotta be careful coming down. No, la bajada is just as difficult. ¿De dónde son? ¿De dónde? We gotta start this again. 500. Look at that. We got here quick. Stopping and all. 500, guys. 500. Let's go. 525. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Can't get tired of this view. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Let's go, guys. We're backpack on and everything. Let's go. Let's go. We need motivational speak. Let's go. That's what I like. All right, I lost my buddy. She, we had to pause for a second there. She's back. We're almost there, almost there. No stopping from this point on. 575. 125, let's go. Let's go. We got this.
Can I take a picture of the view?
Yeah, but I think so. Is this going to be the last photo? What photos left?
Acá 150 nada más. 600.
Ya, that's it. ¿De dónde son?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. Ya tú sabes. Bendición.
Ay, mi amor. Tú entrenas más que eso, dale.
Oof. All right, we're reaching the top. All right, 625, making it nice and bright. Look at that. No smokers for this trip. Look at that. Oof. Let's go. Oh, man. Victory! We did it! Oh, yes. Made it to the top of the world, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the top up in Peñol via Meta Ray-Bans. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg, for your creation. Don't have to hold phones anymore. I'm gonna take a little pause, catch my breath, use the bathroom. I'll come back to you guys. All right, guys, we're back. We're here at the top level. Had to take a little break. It was really, really hot, and here we are, checking out this. Wow. It's a lot of people from everywhere. Puerto Rico, France, Israel, Argentina. Oh wow. Those are condors, yeah. Wow, look at this, man. And the water's low because normally it's a lot higher. So these are all like fincas that are on the canals. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this, man. Imagine having a nice little house right here on the lake. Wow. With a condor flying right over us. Look at it, look, look, look. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, this is awesome. So we got a little souvenir store in here. Nice little souvenirs, decently priced too. It's nothing overpriced, which is great. Normally these little souvenir shops are overpriced, but it's actually really nice prices. So you got magnets, got little license plate, hats, bags. Little pouches for super cool. All right, back out. Got a little souvenir. She got a little souvenir. Vale also likes to travel the world. She's actually going to Italy in a couple of weeks. then New York, and then Argentina, and then back to Miami. Wow. That's awesome. And she'll be in Italy, and I will be, no, I'll be still here. I meet you in Miami, and then you leave to New York, and I leave to Thailand. Okay. Uno de coco. No tiene. No, aquí heladitos de coco. Son bien ricos.
Yo quiero uno de estos de palito.
Sí, son esos, son los mismos todos, míralo acá.
No, pero la señora tiene palito.
¿Tiene de coco?
Todos tienen palitos, sí. Claro que sí, son estos estamos viendo. Ah, ya, ok, ok.
¿Usted tiene coco acá?
Sí. ¿Helado de coco?
Sí, porfa.
Todo lo mismo. ¿Cuál quieres?
Una de frutilla.
¿De fresa?
Sí, de fresa.
Es el palito, es el palito. ¿Cuánto leemos?
De maní, sí hay, uno. Sí hay.
¿Cuánto leemos?
Son 15.000. Allá.
O sea que tengo.
Guatapé.
Listo, pues, guys.
¿De allá maní?
Pero me quiero sentar a comerlo porque hace un calor.
Yeah, so there's about
Sí, ya mirá.
2 ice creams, about $4, so it's not bad. All right, so we're gonna enjoy this ice cream.
A little break.
Take a little break. All right, now we're gonna start the venture down, which can be just as bad as going up. And with the small world, Valentina ran into a friend of hers that also lives in Miami. It's crazy.
¿Vas viendo todo ahí?
Everything. Pero primero estoy mirando abajo y si no me caigo encima.
Caigo yo.
Yeah, I'll be like right on top of you guys.
Esto, ves que esto, el calor ahí te mata.
Yeah. I got it.
Sí, a mí me duele el tobillo ya. ¿Cuándo cumplís el 10? Sí. ¿Estás?
Also,
Ah, perfecto. Va a estar para mi cumpleaños. Una más. ¿A dónde te vas el 11? Ah, de nuevo.
Bueno, sí.
¿Y cuándo volvés? Para Miami.
Y no sé, el primero tengo que estar de marzo sí o sí porque es el cumpleaños de la hija de mi amiga.
Ay.
Perdón, el casamiento.
Pero en marzo.
all right, so this sums up the Meta sunglasses tour of Guatape. We're gonna head over to the town right now and take a couple pictures with the umbrellas and little scenery we have over there. So hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification, smash the like, get the video out there. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Ciao.